morning. Hello.
Buenos dias.
From where?
Huatulco.
Huatulco.
Yeah. We're about to go get the hotel breakfast. It's a buffet, I believe.
Let's go to get some breakfast.
Yes.
Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry and I want some coffee.
We've been here in this hotel room since yesterday. So today we're gonna go up to a coffee plantation. But first, some breakfast here at this hotel. We had paid 1,000 pesos per night for this hotel room, which is around $50 US, and it was located only about 5 minutes from the beach. It's a bit cloudy today, actually. Oh. An additional 100 pesos per day, which is about $5 US, would also include a really good breakfast buffet.
Yeah, there's sandwich.
So we're gonna go up to the coffee plantation and drink more coffee, or?
Yeah, they will give us a cup of coffee there.
More coffee for her. She loves coffee.
I do.
I start shaking if I drink too much coffee. I wanted to rent a scooter and go up the mountains to this coffee plantation, but Maria didn't like that idea, so now we are gonna take maybe a taxi up there. The sun came out again, really nice. How much does it cost to take a taxi to the coffee plantation?
1,500. Okay.
Buy some water first at Oxxo.
We went into Oxxo, the most common convenience store in Mexico, to buy some water, and then ask more taxis for a good price. At first they wanted 1,500 pesos, but we found another taxi that only asked for 700.
Now we are on the way up to the coffee plantation in a taxi. 700 pesos for how long is the ride? 1 hour. An hour, and then also to go back. How much coffee are you gonna drink?
Sure.
3 cups.
We were getting further up into the mountains, and it started to get a bit windy also, and much colder outside. Our destination for the day was the town of Pluma, Hidalgo, world famous for its incredible coffee.
We're going 40 minutes maybe, and there are some really nice views here from the window. You can see all the mountains.
The 1 hour drive had almost come to an end, and we had been driving straight up for almost 1 hour. We were 60 kilometers or 40 miles from the coast in the southwest part of Mexico.
Now we're here at Pluma, Hidalgo, on top of this mountain, and there's also a coffee plantation here. I think we are more than 1,000 meters up, or I'm not sure actually how high up it is, but it's really nice.
I had found out that the town is located 1,350 meters or 4,500 feet above the sea level. The town only has a population of 3,000 people and incredible mountains and nature surrounding the whole town. The Sierra Madre del Sur mountains extend for more than 1,000 kilometers or 600 miles across this region of Mexico.
We're gonna check out the view here and then go and check out the coffee plantation. I might have 1 cup, not too many, so I don't start shaking from the coffee.
We decided to go for a walk around this picturesque town with lots of small shops and scenic views. There are many small tuk-tuk cars in the town also that take tourists around to different spots. We had seen parts of the town and a few different coffee shops. It was almost time for us to sit down and try out the world famous Pluma Hidalgo coffee.
Oh, here we have the two different types of coffee, right?
Okay, yes.
What are they?
Okay, here in the village Las Tranjas, we have two types of coffee, Pluma and Marsellesa. The difference between these two coffees is that one is sweeter, coffee Pluma, and acidic. More acidic and sweeter. The best for me, coffee Pluma.
Okay.
I drink 3 cups every day.
Perfect.
Now we're here and we're gonna try. I'm gonna try the sweet coffee, Pluma, which is also the name of the town, Pluma Hidalgo, and they grow it. Was it 1,300 meters above the sea level here, and even more if you go further up. And what kind of coffee are you gonna get?
The Pluma, but I'm gonna get a latte. So a latte, of course, has more milk.
Drink the coffee. Is it good?
It is really good. Yeah, it's I do taste like the sweetness of like the notes in the coffee.
James.
The air is really fresh here actually. A lot colder also because of the elevation. It's a bit higher up, so really nice. You can breathe here so clearly.
We were on our way up to the coffee plantation, but didn't actually know where we were going, since there are many different plantations.
Walking.
Walking.
Just walking.
Okay.
Yes.
We are here now, up in the mountains somewhere, and we were looking for this coffee plantation, but we couldn't really find it. But I think it might be here, or we might have to go and take the car again. Now we're here at some viewpoint, and you can see the town down there. Really nice. And the nice mountains. The mountains actually look blue here over on this side. I don't know why, but it's really cool.
Now we had figured out where we were going.
Right now, we're en route to Finca Don Gabriel, which is one of the coffee plantations they have here.
Finca Don Gabriel was supposed to be a really nice plantation, so we got into the taxi and headed that way.
I think we are here now at this plantation, but I'm not sure. But it's up in the mountains somewhere, and it's really cool. There's a little hotel here also where you can stay. Don Gabriel is the name of it. So I think the elevation now is about 1,500 meters. I don't know how many feet that is, maybe 5,000 feet or so. And apparently the coffee is gets more sweet the higher up it grows. Here we have all the coffee plants that you saw. So I think they turn red when they are ripe, right?
I think
First they're green and then they turn red. And here we also have some really nice flowers and an incredible view.
It's great to see how nature can be so nice when there are no human activities close by, and how there can be so many different types of flowers growing.
Here I got some coffee beans, and these ones are the ripe ones, so we're gonna see if we can try it. Here is one of the beans.
Let me see.
It tastes really sweet actually.
Does it?
I wonder why The actual coffee is not sweet. It's kind of bitter, usually, coffee. This is so sweet, it tastes just like a fruit. Yum, yum, yum.
Nature always amazes me because it's really well created and beautiful. Blessed are those who see beautiful things where other people see nothing.
Hello. Let's ring the bell. The coffee beans are so sweet. I've been eating so many of them. Just like a fruit. So good. Now we're doing one last thing. We're gonna go to the waterfalls, but we need to take a tuk-tuk there because the road is really bumpy. So we're gonna do that right now. Now we're in the tuk-tuk going to the waterfalls. The road is gonna be really bumpy. It looks like it's gonna start raining also maybe. It's so green here, so I wouldn't be surprised if it rains actually more here compared to down in the town.
We had got into a little tuk-tuk car that would take us on a 20 to 30 minute ride across the mountain and into a really nice waterfall.
Starting to feel a bit sick actually. We've been here for like 20 minutes on this bumpy ride. Oh, we're finally here at the 75-meter waterfall, about 225 feet. Really, really cool in the middle of the mountains here. We are here by this really cool waterfall. What else can we say? After this long bumpy ride, it was worth it to come here. Really cool. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's super awesome. It was really bumpy, but the little gnats that were biting us, they're not here.
After some time at the waterfall, we decided to get into the tuk-tuk again, and then to the taxi to head back home.
We're going home after a rough day. We are back and we have been eaten by mosquitoes in the mountains. Came back a few hours ago and we're so tired after all the mosquito bites and after this long trip. We have recovered after all the mosquito bites.
This is really like
The outfit is on.
Let's go.
It had been an eventful day, but the last mission for the day was to get some really good Mexican food.
are here at the next restaurant. I ordered chicken fajita de pollo. And what did you order?
I got classic chicken soup, and I'm very excited about it.
Chicken soup, very good. And we also got 3 really spicy sauces that I just tried, really good.
Is it good? How is the soup that you ordered?
It's
Is it
really good.
I got the chicken fajita actually, one of my favorite meats ever. Chicken fajita. The food is really good here. 70 pesos for chicken fajitas, really cheap, so $3.5 US dollars.
Is it good?
It's super good. This is classic Mexican food. This is a spot a lot of the locals come to, so you know it's really good.
We are done eating, very, very satisfied with the food. But let's find a taxi and go home.
Wait, no,
and finish
I
up
thought we
the
were
day.
gonna go walk around.
We were back in the downtown area of Huatulco and could see some really nice shops and also lots of people on the streets. This town is really safe and there's no problem to just walk out on the streets in the middle of the night. The taxi rides within the city are also cheap. We paid usually between 40 to 70 pesos to go across town. Hotel Alicar was just around the corner now, and we were excited to be back home.
We are back. Very nice. Hello and thank you everybody for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed watching it, leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to her YouTube channel, but she never uploads anything, but she might be doing it soon.
I will be uploading soon.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.